morning children, this is Sumalita, Master Teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today I am going to continue the revision on measurement. Yeah children, in revision let's do the additions first. Come on here, see additions. What we need to add here, first number here, meters and centimeters children. So 125 meters, 0.5 centimeters, okay, and 247 meters, 0.9 centimeters, and 378 meters, 0.3 centimeters. Come on, let's add 4 centimeters column here. Now 5 plus 9. 5 after we need to take the 9 children. 5 after 9. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 5 after 9 if I am taking here 14 I am getting. 14 after next 3 we need to take. 14 after next 3. 14 after 15, 16, 17. So next 3 if I am taking here 17 I am getting. 7 here and 1 carry here. Now 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So here 17. We are not needing the carry here. So now let's add this to 5 plus 7. Okay. 5 after next is 7. So 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I am getting here 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 after next 8. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if I am adding here next 8, 20 I am getting. Okay. So 20 means 0 here 2 carry. Okay, 0 here 2 carry. Now 2 plus 2. 2 after next 2. 2 after next 2 means 3, 4. 4 I am getting. 4 after next 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 I am getting. 8 after next 8. Sorry, 8 after next 7. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If I am adding here, next 7, 15 I am getting here. So 5 here and 1 carry. Now let's add here 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2 here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, next 2. 3, 4. So 4 after next 3. 5, 6, 7. So 7 I am taking here. So here 7. So what will be the answer here? 715 meters, 17 centimeters. Answer of this question is 715 meters, 17 centimeters. Okay. Now let's do the addition of this number here. Now they given here measures are kilometers and meters. Okay. So how we can read the number here? First number in this given problem, 2 kilometers 465 meters and 4 kilometers 336 meters. Let's add here 5 plus 6. 5 after next 6. 5 after next 6 means 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 I am getting. 11 means 2 digit number. So 1, 1 carry. Yes. 1 after next 6. 1 after next 6 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 after next 6 when I am adding 7 I am getting. 7 after next 3. 7 after 8, 9, 10. 10 we are getting. Okay. So 10 means 0 here. 1 here. Yes. 1 after next 4. 1 after next 4. 1 after 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. 1 after next 4. 1 after next 4. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 5. 5 after next 3. So 6, 7, 8. We are getting 8 children. So here I am writing 8. Now 2 after next 4. 2 after next 4 here. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6 we are getting. So 6. So what will be the answer here? 6 kilometers, 801 meters. 6 kilometers, 801 meters. Okay. 6 kilometers, 801 meters. Okay. Now let's do this third problem here. Add 52 kgs 225 grams and 8 kgs 946 grams. Okay, two numbers has given children. These two are the two numbers. Don't think these are the four numbers. Kgs and grams is one number only and kgs and grams is one number only. So they given here two numbers. Okay, and what are the common measures in this kgs and grams? Let's take the kgs and grams up. Okay, now let's arrange the numbers in columns. The first number is 52 kgs, means 52 in the kgs column, and 225 grams. 225 grams. Now next 8 kgs, 8 in kgs and 946 grams. 946 grams. Come on, let's add here and 0. Let's add here. Now 5 after next to 6. 5 after next to 6, here already we are added children, so 11 we got. 5 after next to 6 means 11. 1 here, 1 can. Now 1 after next to 2. 1 after next to 2 means 2, 3 we are getting. 3 after next to 4. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. So when we are taking next to 4, 7 we are getting. So 7. Okay. Now 2 after next to 9. So 2 after next to 9. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So we are getting 11. Okay. Next 9 means 11 we are getting. 11 means here 1 and 1 carry on the before. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 after next 8. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So next 8 when we are taking 11 we are getting here. So 1 and 1 carry. Now 1 after next 5 will be 6 children. 6 plus 0 is 6 itself. So what we got the answer here? 61 kgs, 171 grams. So the answer of this is 61 kgs, 171 grams. Okay. Let's do the fourth one here. Now find the sum. Sum means what we need to do here? You need to do additions here. Okay. And what we need to add here? 8 liters 001 milliliters. Okay, first number, this total is first number only. 8 liters 001 milliliters and 24 liters 161 milliliters, and third one is 3 liters 247 milliliters. Yes, now let's arrange that numbers into the columns here. Now first number is liters, and common measures are liters and milliliters. First we are taking that up. First number 8 liters and 001 milliliters. Second number is 24 liters. So 24 in liters and 161 milliliters. And third one is 3 liters 247 milliliters. Come on, let's add here. And you can take the 0 if you don't have the digits in the places. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 2 after next to 7. Okay. 2 after next to 7 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 we are getting when we are taking the next to 7. So 9. Now 0 plus 6 is 6 itself, and 6 after next to 4. 6 after next to 4. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Next to 4 we are taking 10. Okay. So 0 here, 1 here. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus again 2, next to 2. So 3, 4. 4 we are getting. So 4 and dash. Now 8 plus 4 means 8 after next to 4 numbers. 8 after next to 4 numbers. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 12 after next to 3. 13, 14, 15. So 15 means 5 here, 1 can. Now 1 plus 0 is 1. Now 1 plus 2 next to 2. So 2, 3 we are getting. So 3 after next to 0 is 3 itself. Okay. So what is the answer when we are adding the sum here? 35 liters 409 milliliters. 35 liters 409 milliliters. These are the additions children, arranging in columns and adding that everything I gave here. That is. Now children, let's do the subtractions here. Come on, subtract 80 meters 10 centimeters from 100 meters 20 centimeters. First let's arrange that into the column here, and here before arranging children, always the from given between the two numbers and we are subtracting that numbers means from after number will be the bigger and from before number will be the smaller. Why? Because when you are doing the subtraction, always you need to take the bigger number into the first place and smaller number into the second place. Okay. Now from after means don't take only 100 children, you need to take the total here which is related to meters and centimeters. Okay, the common measures has given here meters and centimeters. Come on, let's arrange here. The first number nothing but 100 meters and 20 centimeters. Total whole number you need to take into the first place. Okay, and from before number will be the smaller here. So which is 80 meters and 10 centimeters. Here 80 meters and 10 centimeters. Let's subtract these. Yes. Now see. Now 0 minus 0 here children, 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 2 minus 1. Smaller number means open here 2 fingers and subtract 1 means close the 1 finger. So 1 finger is left. Or else 1 after next number also you can count which is 2. So 1 we are taking here. 0 minus 0, 0. Now 0 minus 8 is not possible children. So we need to take the bar here, it will become the 10 and it will become the 0. Now 8 after you need to count to reach the 10, or else 10 minus 8 also you can do here. 8 after it is better to count from the down to up. Okay, so 8 after 9, 10. Two numbers we required to reach the 10. So 2 here and here 0. So what is the answer of this here? 20 meters and 10 centimeters. Answer of this is 20 meters and 10 centimeters. Okay. Now coming to this kilometers and meters here. Let's subtract these here. We don't have the digits, so we can take the 0 here. Now 7 minus 6. Or else you can start counting from 6 to reach the 7. So 6 to reach the 7 means 6 after next to 7. Immediately 1. So 1 number we require. Or else 7 minus 6 also you will get 1 only. Okay. Now 4 minus 3. Or else you can start counting from the down number to up number to reach the up number. So 3 after to reach the up number, 3 after 4. So I require the 1 number to reach the 4. So now 1 after I can count. Or else 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 nothing but you 5 first you open and 1 down number you can close. So 4 you will get. Or else you can start counting from down to up. 1 after here 2, 3, 4, 5. To reach the 5 I require the 4 number. So 5 minus 1 also we will get the 4 and 1 to start counting also you will get the 4 only. So 4. Now 8 minus 9 or else you can start counting from the down numbers. 8. 8 after 9. So 1 number I require. So 1. And 9 minus 0 itself 9 itself. Okay. So why? Because any number minus 0 the number itself you get. So the answer is, final answer is 91 kilometers 411 meters. So the answer is 91 kilometers 411 meters. Let's do the third problem which is here. Kilograms and grams. So 60 kilograms 158 grams and 46 kilograms 69 grams. Let's subtract here. 8 minus 9. Is it possible children 8 minus 9? No. So we need to take the borrow here which is from 5. Okay, if I take the borrow from 5, 5 will become 4 and 8 will become 18. Now 18 minus 9. Okay, 18 start counting from 9 to reach the 18. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So to reach the 18 I required here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers I required. Okay, so 9 here. 18 minus 9 also you will get 9 only. Okay, now start counting. 4 minus 6. Is it possible children? No. Why? Because 4 is a smaller and 6 is a bigger. We can't subtract. So we need to take the borrow for this 4 also. So if I take the borrow from before digit, this 1 will become 0 before number and 4 will become 14. Now you can start counting from 6 to reach the 14. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So we are getting 14. So 8 numbers I require. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers I required. So 8. Okay, and 0 minus 0, 0 itself. Now 0 minus 6, is it possible? No, we need to take the borrow. 0 is smaller than the all numbers, it is not possible to subtract here. So we need to take the borrow here from 6. So 6 will become 5, which is before, and 0 will become 10. Okay. Now 10 minus 6, or else you can start counting from 6 to raise this 10. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So 4 numbers are required to raise the 10. So 4. And 5 minus 4. 4 after you can start counting the to reach the upper number 5. So 5 after we require the 1 number to reach the 5. So 5 after 4 after 1. Okay. So 1 number I require to reach the 5. Or else 5 minus 4 also 1. So 14 kgs 89 grams. Okay. The answer is 14 kgs 89 grams. Now let's do this. Find the difference. Difference means what here? You need to do subtraction. Okay. So difference between what here? 34 liters, 564 milliliters, and 22 liters, 613 milliliters. Okay. In these two numbers, which is the smaller number, children? Liters numbers you can observe here. 34 and 22. Which is the smaller here? 22 is the smaller. Which is the bigger here? 34 is the bigger. Means you need to take this total number into the first place and this total number into the second place. Okay. And common measures are here liters and milliliters here. Liters and milliliters. First number is this total, children. 34 liters and 564 milliliters. And next one here 22 liters, 613 milliliters. Now I can subtract here 4 minus 3. To reach 3 to 4 means 3 after 4. To reach the 4 I require only one number, children. So 4 minus 3 also will get 1. Now 6 minus 1. Okay, you can start count. You can open and you can close the fingers, or else you can start counting from the down number to reach the up number. So 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I reached the 6 here, which is up. So 5 numbers are required to reach the upper number, which is 6. Means answer will be the 5. 6 minus 1 also will be 5. Or if you are start counting from down number to reach this upper number also, you will get the 5. Okay. Now 5 minus 6. Is it possible? No. Why? Because 5 is smaller than the 6. It's not possible. So we can take the borrow here. 4 minus 4 will become 3 and 5 will become 15. Now you can start counting from 6 to reach the 15, children. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I reach the 15 children. So how many numbers are required? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers are required to reach the 6. So to reach the 15. So 9. Now 3 minus 2, or else you can start counting from down to up. 2 after 3. So 1 number I required here. And 3 after 3 minus 2 again 1. So what the answer? Final answer 11 liters 951 milliliters. 11 liters 951 milliliters. So these are the additions and subtractions which I gave today in today's videos. Revision, children. Practice well, and after completing the total revision I am going to conduct the test. So day by day you practice, children. Thank you.